Man, I'm finally going to the gun range, man. Man, what it do, GDG? Goddamn gang, man. Y'all know who I am. It's your boy Goddamn, man. Listen, in today's video, man, I'm finally going to the gun range, man. I'ma finally show him this Tajay.
You know what I'm saying?
I'ma finally shoot this thing. I had this thing for about 2 months.
Without shooting a bullet?
I ain't shot a bullet yet. But yeah, man, today is the day, man. We finally gonna shoot my AR for the first time. Y'all know I had to vlog it. Tajay, I had to vlog it.
Yeah, you had to vlog it.
You feel me?
Y'all, you feel me? I'm right here. I'm just, you feel me, behind the camera today. You feel me?
Today.
Yeah.
But listen, before we go to the gun range, man, we gotta stop by Bass Pro Shop because I still gotta buy my grill.
Okay, you talking on the foreground?
Yeah, I still gotta buy that. But listen, before we get into this, man, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that bell if y'all new, so y'all can be the first to know your boy drop these bangers, man. Hey, listen, we done hit that 100K, man. Listen, I gotta run it up for y'all. I know I've been gone for like a week. My fault. You feel me? My fault. Y'all been DMing me and all that. You feel me? My fault. But I'm here now. But shit, are you ready?
Yeah.
You feel me? So shit.
Yeah, so you feel, I know you ready to go in and shoot that thing. They look good too, boy. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, okay, you know. Alright, hey, I ain't gonna front y'all. I'm gonna let off a couple of shots. I ain't brought my AR with me, you know what I'm saying? I left it in the A, you feel me? I wasn't really in too much. Ain't thinking about it, you feel me, this time. But I got my little pistol on me, so you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let a couple of shots off.
I ain't let it. I'm listening.
Shots off your pistol too? Yeah. Okay,
but I'm gonna have to clip up my thing. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, huh.
So we about to go. I look good.
Well, shut up, cuz.
Well, I'm just saying though. Hey, listen, we about to go and get ready to.
Yeah, alright.
I ain't no female.
Man, you had a little song on side.
You just get me right. I appreciate it. Let's go and wrap this up and let's go and get it going.
Alright, let's go and get it going.
Alright. Oh, hey, listen, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back to Bass Pro Shop though. You feel me? Yeah, let's do that. All right. Alright, boom, man. We have made it to the gun range. Y'all sit over there. It's a little loud out here. I hope y'all can hear me. You feel me? But we actually stopped by Bass Pro Shop. What little thing at? We finally got the little foregrip, but we need a screwdriver. I didn't know we were gonna need a screwdriver. You feel me? I thought it was gonna take one of them things. But man, we about to go ahead and go in here. You about to carry this?
Yeah.
Somebody call you?
No, yeah, hold on.
You gonna do your thing. I'm about to get this out. I don't think I can carry this with one hand. I'm gonna need my boy. Arizona?
Yeah, she keep FaceTiming me there hanging up.
I'm gonna see if they gotta do that. I don't think I can carry this. Hold on. I'm trying to carry this with my left hand.
You ain't gonna be able to carry and record.
Yeah, I can't do that. You feel me? I try to pull it up.
Just tell me what catch him.
Well, listen, oh, he got a little rifle over there. Well, listen, we about to catch y'all inside, man, because we can't carry it. I can't carry and record, so yeah, we about to. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in there. All right, guys, so we have finally made it in here, you feel me? I'm about to officially finally shoot this thing. Listen, I can't even hear myself talking.
You feel me? Because it's like that, you feel me? Just make sure you talking loud enough.
Yeah, they hear me. So listen, I'm about to, you can go ahead and record me, like, you know, all that. Yeah. What should I shoot first? Oh, man, we forgot to tell them to put this on. Damn.
It'll be alright.
As long as I got it.
Then you put it on there.
What clip should I shoot first? The clear one?
Huh?
Should I shoot the clear clip first?
Yeah. Shoot the clip.
We can see how it works. You feel me?
Where's the valve from?
Move that. Yeah. I don't gotta move it back.
We're gonna see how good your aim is.
How far you wanna go back? Are you ready?
sir. He has it, but let him take it down. He's gonna
Shoot a bit. And try.
Yeah, put it on safety. Boy, listen, Sam, boy, about 2 of them bullets burnt me. Look at this, y'all.
That's hard. Listen, my fault, Ty J.
You good? It's all good. Let me get in here. Let me show you what that real deal aim look like. Hold on. Bring it in and see all my hits. Yeah.
Stretch it out like that. Do me a favor. Refresh yourself.
Come on, my hits. Bring it in. Hey, hold on. You gonna take the light off?
Nah, it don't matter.
Well, yo. Come on now. That nigga head, that's a big shot.
Well, Sam, that boy got aim.
What you gonna do, man?
That boy got aim, huh?
Okay.
That's that should be on. That's that hip, man.
I'm aiming for the X.
Oh, hold on.
I know.
Come on.
Beginning all this shit when everybody wants
You don't want to flip side?
lost their mind, thinking
What are you
they're
talking
gonna
about,
die, they shut everything down.
Go ahead.
Then you're not gonna be able to see the gun shoot.
Yeah, I see it.
So imagine that we're that happening. How far are we behind it? Now that we've added 20 million new shooters. We never before bought a firearm shooters last year to this mix. And there's so have a good day.
It's out.
Nah, I like it.
It's out now. I think I got some more bullets at the house.
Yeah, I like that.
Like that. So I'm gonna give it another. I'm gonna get another. Oh, you trying to do a pistol? I'm gonna get that thing another go. I don't think I like that click level. Damn. I like the clip. I wish I had that grip on it.
Nah, you feel me? I just want to push it a few rounds because I ain't shoot this in a minute. Boom.
We're going to do that.
Good.
I'm gonna get another go around with my gun.
That sounds like a K.
Yeah. What you about to do? You wanna move that?
Yeah.
Listen.
Pull out. This is the bullet in the back, and then we can clean it out. That just means you need
It's all good. All right, man. We about to shoot this 40 clip. Listen, we really about to be out after this. We about to be out after this?
You gonna shoot this whole round?
No, we'll just shoot some of it. That shit, they gonna do it. You feel me? I had to learn this shit.
Ain't shoot nice.
Right.
Much better, huh? You're welcome.
Some good shots. Some good shots. All right, man. So y'all can see us now. We is pulling out the little gun range or whatever. We had a good little time. How the gun shoots out there?
Yeah, that bitch shoot good, boy. You know what I'm saying?
That shit shoot smooth. I wish I'd have had. Like we were just holding it like this though. You know when we shoot your gun, we got that grip on that, that angle grip on
you
that.
know, well, you know the first time I shot mine, I ain't had no grip on mine.
We did, but
yeah.
But just holding it like that, just kind of like feel kind of weird.
Yeah, you feel.
But the angle grip, you kind of like angle your hand.
You grip it some more, you know.
My grip, we really supposed to ask dude at the counter. The dude got a screwdriver to put my grip on.
Yeah.
I was so thirsty to get in that bag. I forgot all about it. I got in the back home and got, oh damn, I forgot to put the grip on.
Yeah, the forward grip.
Listen, I'm about to go home and do that right now as we speak, you feel me? We think we'll come back to the gun range.
I don't know, man. I really wish I'd have brought my
Yeah.
I know, man. I forgot. But I wasn't in too much in thinking about it. I should have brought that job. We could have went, you know what I'm saying? I could have shot. I should have let some bullets off mine. Cause I ain't shoot mine, I ain't shoot mine in a minute.
I should shot my little pistol. I ain't even shoot my little pistol. My little pistol straight. He'll be alright though. My little pistol.
Yeah, he ain't really tripping, you know what I'm saying?
He done been shot before. That AI ain't never been shot before. But I like the feel like he ain't really too aggressive.
Yeah.
But I know I can calm it down a little bit.
He ain't like no AK too goddamn
aggressive.
Yeah, man, got too much kick. You feel me? Cause I'm on them big bullets they on pushing out of. You feel me?
Just some big bullets.
Yeah, they're a little bit more aggressive. Now the AR, you can get in that AR and shoot 200 rounds easily. No problem.
We need to go to an outdoor gun range.
Yeah, really. I don't know where they do that. Most of the time you got to be in like clubs or something. You got to have a little membership.
Yeah.
This lane ain't supposed to stop. So why? Please tell me why did y'all stop and go?
The light ain't even green right there. It's green over there.
You feel me? The other people supposed to be turning. You can go and keep going.
We going. Oh, look at Navy Federal line. What they got going on?
Line, run. They got to go into the bank. Folk got to stand outside.
Them legs that came through. Everybody trying to get them dim legs.
Everybody trying to get that stimlet. It might be my stimlet check calling right chill.
What that is?
I don't know who this is. Let me see. Hello? Hello? You said Mr. Who?
Sir, this is Mr. Beaver.
No, this ain't no damn Mr. Beaver. Wrong number. hey, that jockey, come on now, Sam. That jockey sitting and them folks keep calling your phone.
I'm already knowing. Listen, you ain't got no choice but to do it. Them folks, they keep calling your phone. How in the hell do you get my number?
How did you get my number? Everybody phone number out here in the world, and then you call my. Hold on, for one, who named Mr. Beaver?
That's who you was?
Yeah, Mr. Beaver.
Mr. Beaver. Somebody probably prank all that. Mr. Beaver?
Yeah, come on, man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man, but you know what I'm saying? Back to the gun. The gunshot good. I ain't gonna frame.
Gunshot good, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That bit gonna be alright. You know what I'm saying? I know you gonna put them touches up on that thing.
Yeah, man, but that grip, what was it? You feel me? That grip, what was gonna do it?
Yeah, really. You feel me?
Oh.
Well, it feel good outside today, you know what I'm saying?
For real. Nigga might hit the beach tomorrow. What they supposed to do tomorrow?
Boy, you know how it is down here, boy. It might be a hurricane tomorrow.
But they said it gonna be a hurricane yesterday.
A tornado. It was a little tornado, little thing yesterday.
Oh, I did hear the sirens. Yeah, I did hear them things.
Dang, boy, I wish I brought my y'all.
Yeah, when the last time you shot that thing?
Boy, I ain't shoot that time.
Since over there, ain't it? The one that closed down there, ain't it?
Yeah. That's my last time putting it.
That has been like 2 years.
Yeah, I gotta get it. I gotta get it clean. I gotta get it clean. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
It'll happen. But all right, man, we back. You feel me? Today, I'm letting it go, Taji.
Letting it go.
I'm letting it go. The day I'm selling my PS4 Pro, man, I'm going to sell it, man. I don't need it no more.
Yeah.
You feel me? Everybody know like I got the 5. So it just sit there. I mean, you feel me? I'm not gonna let somebody put it to use.
You feel me?
Might
Because
as
it
well.
really just sitting there collecting dust.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we about to meet old dude right up here. Sell this a little quick little something slide.
Dang, you know what I'm saying? It's on to the next.
On to the next, man. Hey.
Long day without you, my friend.
You know they had a little before the fire came out, they had a little theme song like that.
Yeah.
They were saying, oh, I'm about to drop the camera. They were reminiscing all about the old song.
Yeah.
I mean, not the old song, the old game.
Old games and stuff.
Yeah, Fortnite, the original Fortnite.
They really need to run that bit back.
The original Fortnite was better, but Fortnite ain't bad right now though. It ain't bad right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, feel me? Damn, man, I had this PS4 since 2017. That's when the Pro first.
Snap.
That's when that one first came out. That's when the Pro first came out.
Oh, and that's the same one you had for the longest, ain't it?
Yeah. Well, I had, I had the OG one, and I got rid of that one.
Oh,
That-
yeah.
It was overheating.
Yeah.
It was overheating. And I got that one from Target. Man,
You know,
4 years later.
It put you through that, though. I can tell you that.
Somebody else, you feel me? Might treat you better. Cause I had that thing, woo,
I'm trying to tell you, sitting in the closet.
sitting in the
It's
closet.
over and done with now, though. You feel me?
Yeah, but listen, I'm gonna get back on him when. Should I get back on him when we get out there?
I don't know. That's up to you.
I might. Y'all might be able to see that thing. Yo, I'm gonna catch y'all. Damn, I need to go get something to eat. That's what I need to go do. Yo,
You did say you was hungry.
damn. I be starving myself. I gotta stop that, ain't it?
Yeah, I don't know why you like to wait till you
Because
start.
the day be flying though. You feel me? I wake up, you feel me? Do what I do, hop on the game. It's already about 5 o'clock. I was like, oh damn, I done forgot to eat. How I forget? How you forget to eat?
How you forget to eat? You forget that you hungry. Cause you on that game.
Listen, it is what it is. But man, after this, I'm thinking I'm gonna go grab me something. Y'all want something different too, but I might go get that fried shrimp and fries.
Well, I ain't gonna front that little Josh thinking.
Oh, you been no ice on it?
Nah, that probably gonna make it work.
Hey, the LTT1 now.
That what that is?
Oh no, that's a regular V6.
Oh,
Ain't no LT.
oh,
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. That is an LT1. Your body's just ugly.
Yeah. You
look-
see? Yeah, you look him and his wife look.
Oh,
yeah.
they like, oh shit.
What's going on? Oh, yeah.
I don't know if they got 10 speeds.
The LZ?
Yeah, I don't know if they got 10 speeds.
What do they do?
I'm not gonna get that shit. That shit's still ugly. That shit's still ugly. I don't like the body form. The SS is beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look that up and see if the LT's got 10 speed transmissions. I'm gonna look that up.
They should, you feel me?
I mean, them won't be riding now. I be seeing them beat scat passing up.
You feel me? Of course. That's skank.
Me too, of course.
That thing, that's slow.
But
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch y'all a little later, man. Later though, man. You feel me? Yeah, all that good stuff. All right, man. Listen, I'm back home or whatever. I done sold my PS4, man. My PS4 Pro. You had it down for many years. Yeah, all that good stuff. But listen, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, man. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that bell if y'all new so y'all can be the first to know your boy drop these bangers, man. Hey, listen, if y'all like how my gun shoot, just tell me. Just tell me that. Let me know down below in the section right now. You feel me? Or make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at GotDamnSam, all that good stuff. And I'm about to go hop on my 5. I don't need my little PS4 Pro no more, so that's why I sold it. And I'm about to go eat, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next video, man. I'm out. Gang.